Today in the video I'm going to talking about the use of personal experience. For that I am going to ask a question. Question number one. What is the best way to improve your experience? Explain. There are many ways and methods to improve my experience, but I consider only the best way to change my experience, and the best first way is exercise. I consider it the best because is a healthy, about all free way to achieve the better experience. This does not cause me secondary diseases because it is an healthy way to change my experience in my body. And the second best way to change my experience is the diet because it helps me keep my body healthy. The best thing is that my appearance change is a result, and it isn't necessary to spend a lot of money. Question number two. What way would you not try? Explain. I would never try liposuction because that can cause secondary diseases in my body. I think that this is not a good way to change the experience.